Whoa, look at those mountains. Wow, it's a beauty. Yeah, that's van life. Good morning, friends. First of all, you're fucking legends. Thank you so much for every new subscriber. I know we're still a super small channel. I just see that from a different perspective. 355 people around me, that would be... Thank you for watching my videos. We start the day now. From all the riding, past days with my full face helmet. I gotta do some neck training. That's what my physio taught me like 2 years ago, and I did just a few times. Breakfast time, phone and I'll document every shit I have to do. Van life is really nice, but it got also some bad sides. Let's clean that really quick. Oh, look how clean it is. I should try that more often. My breakfast is ready as well. Fucking amazing. Let's go. Very good, very good. Call me weird, but honey and eggs is just amazing. A little bit of honey. Because my e-brake doesn't work. Lower range, 4-wheel drive, and I can't drive like this. It's not gonna work. It's fucking shit. Fix it, man. That sucks. Oh, there we go. Fuck yeah. Okay. Thank God. All right, guys, rock and roll. I was stressing me out a little bit. The next truck will be fully manual. Everything manual for sure. Yeah, and now we're hitting the road, Revelstoke, and then we hit some trails. Super short recommendation to my German friends. This podcast, Bitcoin Verstehen. There are many really good podcasts about Bitcoin, and I'm pretty passionate about it, so I just want to share that really quick with you. And to my friends who don't speak German, I will put some links in the description. I'm listening to Bitcoin podcasts all the time on the road and learn new stuff about it. It's really exciting. Maybe it's catching you as well, and you fall into the rabbit hole. I'm very curious what we got here. Whoa! That was way too fast. Oh my god, yeah! This bike eats. It just eats. Takes and takes. Slap, fuck yeah. Woo! Cheers.
Wash your face and comb your hair. It's a fine time.
16, yeah, for both, for like camper and truck. I would like to sell everything together, yeah. Can you recommend me some good overnight spots here, right on the water?
Have you gone above the dam yet? If you hit the Downey, there's a great camping spot like right after the bridge. Pretty much all of these are good. Well, nice meeting you.
Alright, yeah, you too.
Good luck.
Have a good one. Oh my god, guys! Look at those mountains. It's amazing. Oh no, wait, the watermelon dropped down. That's a good one. I can't believe. I'm stoked. What a day. Got some really good riding in. I got also watermelon, which is I'm very grateful for the spot. That's amazing. That's so sick. So enough with watermelon. It's time for a river dip. Let's go.
If there's anything that can make a man just about to lose his mind, baby.
Yeah, that's van life. You remember in the morning I was stressed about the truck, but all in all, van life is so sick. And yeah, if you're wondering why I eat so much watermelon, I just spoon it out. It's just the best hydration. You probably know that those things, they smell. That's why laundry. Yeah, I should have done it way earlier. I just leave it there a little bit. Oh, the free laundry. I found some salad. Yeah. Good. Free salad. Wow. It's a beauty. That's a good snack. I think it's time to check the laundry. It's been like maybe 20 minutes. Three 103 push-ups. My food should be done now. Oh, what a beautiful evening. What a beautiful day. Yeah, today was a pretty good day. It was a really good day. That's like the perfect example for van life. On the other side, sometimes you have a headache because something is wrong on the truck, kind of like stressed out because of that, but I think all in all it's totally worth it. And I'm super grateful to live a part of my life, a few years in a van, and it's not gonna be my last home on wheels, I'm pretty sure. I hope I was able to give you a little taste of van life. Yeah, tomorrow repeat. Thank you for watching till the end. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then please go ahead and subscribe here for free. And also leave me some nice comments down there, or also bad comments, whatever you want. Share the video with your friends, with your family. I'll see you in the next days, for sure. Ciao.